guys how to turn a piece of fabric into a shirt. The dimensions of this fabric is 21 inches by 82 inches, and I did purchase this piece of fabric from shopprettyrayy.com. The link will be in the description box below. So go ahead and fold this in half. Okay, so bring the fabric around your back like this. And by the way, as I mentioned in the last video, if you are turning a piece of fabric into a shirt, you're going to want to have a bandeau top and a strapless bra underneath. The bra doesn't have to be strapless. You can use a regular bra, but go ahead and tuck those straps in. This just helps with security, okay? So I have the scarf wrapped around my back. I'm going to go ahead and tuck these two flaps into my bra. So I'm actually tucking them into the bra. Okay, they're in the bandeau and in the bra. Instead of going down and under like I did the first time, I'm going to actually bring this around and bring it up. Okay. Then just go ahead and tuck the excess fabric underneath the bra. This is why I say to wear a bra, because it just helps with, like I said, security, tucking, hiding up excess fabric. I'm also doing the same in the back, just tucking any excess. Now we're left with these two pieces. I'm going to actually twist this, bring it down and around, like back through the hoop. Okay, and then I'm going to tuck it. Then the same for this one. Twisting it, bringing it through, and then I'm just going to tuck it. Okay. For the second shirt, you're just going to want to untuck the tassels that we tucked away in the beginning. So here we have the tassels. We're just going to go ahead and you can tighten them, pull them, and then twist them around. So I like to twist so that I don't have big clunky neck pieces, okay? And this, you're just going to come around, bring them up, and tie them around your neck like a halter top. I'm going to take 2 rubber bands. They're like the small black rubber bands. This is the second top, okay? For this style, I definitely recommend wearing like long hair. If you have a wig, that's perfect. If you're a long wig, go ahead and put that on, just because I don't think the back is as seamless as I would like it to be. This is what the back looks like. Okay, so if you have long hair, you can just go ahead and cover that. Also, if you have a longer piece of fabric, like I said, this was 21 by 82 inches. Maybe if I had like 21 by 100 inches, that might have given me a little bit more stretch room so that I could actually tie these, because as you guys saw, I used a rubber band instead of tying them. So yeah, but I mean, all in all, this is still super duper cute. I still have the fabric here folded in half, so I'm gonna wrap it around my back. Okay, to take one piece and lay it up here and pull this down a little bit. I kind of want it uneven, like I want this to be the shorter piece, this to be the longer piece. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and twist this. Then you just want to take this piece and just wrap it around. So I'm straightening it out. I'm gonna tuck this part up here. It's still folded in half. This go around, we're gonna bring it around our neck. I'm gonna make sure that they are even. Okay, so we're gonna twist it. All right, so it's twisted. I'm opening it around my breast. I'm gonna pull the remaining cloth through the bandeau and through my bra, okay? So there is that. We're gonna do the same thing over here. this is what we have so far. Now we have these two straps hanging. So I'm just gonna bring it here and tuck up through, and I'm gonna just keep doing that until I don't have any more cloth. Okay. I'm gonna do the same on this side. Go ahead and cover up and adjust the bra to get rid of any gaps. Like, this is probably the most secure style because you wrapped it around the bandeau top so much, so you don't have to worry about anything, you know, coming undone. Still folded in half. Gonna sling it over my shoulder. The shorter part is in the front, the longer end is in the back. This top is more of a, you know, pictures top, but it's still super cute. I mean, you have range of motion. Just know that these will fold up. Alright you guys, so that concludes today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you made it this far. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Black Mocha. Make sure you're following me on TikTok at Black Mocha. And if anybody is wondering, this hair is from Juicy Hair Affair. I do have my very own raw hair company, and this hair is from my company. Again, the company is Juicy Hair Affair. If you would like to shop, www.juicyhairaffair.com. We do also have a YouTube channel. Just search for Juicy Hair Affair on YouTube and you will find it. Also wanted to add, this hair is a year old, okay? A year old and still bomb and flawless. I didn't even do anything to it. I literally just took it out of this bag that I have my wig sitting in, and instead of washing it, I just co-washed it, washed it with some conditioner, blow dried it and straightened it. I did not even put any oils or anything in this hair. This is just how amazing the hair looks like in its natural state. Well, not really in its natural state, but you know, without any product added to it. But yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.